Check it out. What? Check out what?
Check this out.
Thanks. This is the latest power socket from Leadchuang. And if you think it's just another power strip, think again. As musicians, we use power strips wherever we are, right? I know right now that you guys all have at least 1 or 2 power strips in your practice area, another 1 or 2 in your home office or your home studio, right? And then I know you have another 1 or 2 in your gigging gear if you're playing out on a regular basis. At about half the size, the power socket here can replace all of them while being capable of transferring up to 1,875 watts of power to all of your devices. That much juice can power 3 gaming PCs with more than enough left over to charge all your USB devices. And speaking of USB devices, this power socket comes with a built-in charging station. Huh? And we can't forget to talk about the home studio, right? Because your home studio is probably in a pretty small space, right? Well, using the Leadchuang power socket can mean the difference between being comfortable or feeling overcrowded. There's got to be something better than this. Wow, this is so much better. Thanks, Leadchuang. And in my rehearsal space, it means I can put all my amps right up against the wall, giving me more room to jam. The bottom line is that this power strip is suitable for any situation, whether it's in your home, your studio, or out on your next world tour. Now, these are priced at around $20 US. But if you head on over to Amazon and use the code RJSCAVE10 at checkout, you can save 10% on your power socket purchase. If you've enjoyed yourself, now's the time to hit that like button because that helps us out because it tells the algorithm you enjoyed yourself and it shares the video with more people. And if you really did enjoy yourself, then how about subscribing and ringing that notification bell because that lets you know whenever we post a new video. And then we get to see you more often. It kind of helps everybody out, you know what I'm saying? If you'd also like to support the channel further, you can do that by clicking the Super Thanks button down below and leaving us a tip. Or you can head on over to Cave Dwellers, that's the RJ's Cave merch store, where you can purchase a hat, a t-shirt, a coffee mug, or a sticker. The link for that can be found in the description below. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for joining me. You've been awesome. I've been RJ. Until the next one, take care. All right, you can go. Yeah, I think you can go now.
Yeah, I mean, that was spot on. I mean, I tried to do a thing with my hair, but I was like, well,